welcome to this video on how to format your pivot tables. So let's quickly insert a pivot table with this data. Everything is highlighted. I'll insert a pivot table. New sheet is fine. This headings, the columns I want to go with. So I'll bring in the store location to the row section, and the product type to the row section as well. And now I want to match it up with the sales for the various locations and product type. I'll now collapse this. Okay, so you have just 3 locations and the various product types under each location. So I don't want to show something like row levels. I just want to show store location in its own column and also the product type in its own column. So I have to do something about this. So, but then before I move on, I'll go to the design, pivot table analyze, then remove this plus sign over here. Okay, by just clicking on the buttons here. Click on these buttons and everything is gone. And now we have to format this table for it to look better. So I'll go to the design tab, then report layout. I'll go to tabular form. Okay, so I've gone for tabular form and realize that it brings the store location, the product type, but the product types are empty. The reason is since this data is the smallest data set, I need to bring it down in the store. Look, product type will go up. Product type has a lot of entries, so that is fine. So now we have each product type and the various store locations and the sales that came in for that product type. I want to also remove that subtotal, so I'll go to subtotals and do not show subtotals. So this is fine. I also want to remove these borders around, so I will go to report layouts and go for an outline form. And this is fine. So format your pivot tables, and we can play around with these settings here to suit whatever you want. So just play around with it until you get the effects you want, like and share.